So finally, last pancake. Ayun. Last pancake. Nasimot na yung lalagyan. Uy, very big pancake guys. Oh. Yung iba maliit ang pagkagawa ko. Okay? So yan. Yummy pancake. May maliit, may malaki. Yung last batch, medyo nilakihan ko na guys para sabi ko mabilis na maluto. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye! Yummy pancake. This is yogurt pancake guys.